teachers were stuck in a room with all the stroppy kids. And which was quite good because it made all the stroppy kids into Republicans that day. She arrived very late in a helicopter and all the kids just went to the window and started. So it's all about that. The day a Duchess come. We have a visit of a Duchess of Gloucester. Some would say she's half German. Nobody's ever heard her before. Some cousin 20 times over of a bloody queen. The whole week, the Edge was raving. Never seen him in the corridor so much time. Things was done what had been waiting for years. Potholes on the drive filled in just before a tower miners appeared. The big Ed's mural by the stairs had its swastika scrubbed off. Last time it was wanker, right across its slapper. Every little scuff was touched up and a foyer was like Kew Gardens. A deputy, Miss Price, was up a ladder, rubbing the windows, frantic. She come by helicopter, landing on our so-called tennis courts. No markings, no nets, no nothing. More pigs than Cardiff v Swansea. There was a posh limo to take her up the drive. Red carpet and choir ready, and all the SWAT sitting for hours writing. We was stuck in a room watching When Saturday Comes. Mega Brill swearing and shagging. Who is she anyway? What has she ever done? Presented her with a miner's lamp, they did. I'd have given her worse than a gun. This is what I wrote to celebrate the royal wedding recently. No worries, there's a royal wedding. Lost your job, lost your home, lost the will to ever sin? No worries, because it's a royal wedding. Lost your benefits, lost the holiday you planned, lost to pawnbrokers your wedding ring? No props, because it's a royal wedding. Lost relationships, lost your head in debt, lost in dread when the phone rings? No sweat, because it's a royal wedding. Lost your pension, lost your kids' hopes of higher education, lost your life's very meaning? No hassles, because it's a royal wedding. This is more of a manifesto than a poem, as you'll see. It's called the 43-letter word. Ladies and gentlemen, nay, comrades and friends, welcome to the inauguration of the Not Like the Rest party. Lend me your ears. No, I won't slice them off. Our cuts will be vicious. They will be machete-wielding. Our cuts will be all-encompassing. We will cauterize to maximize. We will begin by cutting monarchy and its hangers-on, saving billions. We will follow by withdrawing from Afghanistan, Germany, Falklands, Northern Ireland, and Brecon. We will declare peace with a vengeance, saving, well actually, billions. We will stop paying the pointless lords, close down every tax haven. We will not pay a single penny to banks who hold us to ransom. Trident will be sunk without trace, saving billions. I've done my figures. Then we'll abolish Westminster, our parliaments from villages to nations, so that once and for all time, Britain of empire and war can be broken. So vote for us. I'm not afraid to use the 43-letter word, anarcho-syndicalist, Welsh socialist republicanism. Read this poem.
Cbay Rday's in the way.
About her. It's the first time I've read it. Yeah, I will read it. Okay. It's about Bethlehem. Here we go. You can just hide or whatever. All right. So I was always involved in politics. I stood at the first assembly elections, believe it or not, for the United Socialists, who didn't exist. Because, like a few people over there, I was a member of the Welsh Socialist Alliance, and we couldn't call ourselves that, because I think it was registered somewhere else. So we had to call ourselves the United Socialists, and of course nobody knew who they were. We didn't even know who we were. So didn't get many votes, but there you go. Okay, this is Odd Possibilities. So Bethan comes from a slightly political